I would now like to invite Sri Ajit Kumar, Executive Director, IPSEM Goa, to speak to the gathering. ONGC is the India Principal Partner of the Biodiversity Film Festival. Sri Kumar, please.
Thank you. His Excellency Sri B.V. Vanchu, Honorable Governor of Goa, Srimati Elena Saldana, Honorable Minister of Environment and Forest Goa, Sri Nikhil Desai, Director of Tourism Goa, Dr. N. Bhaskar Rao, Chairman CMS, distinguished delegates, media persons, ladies, gentlemen and children, good evening to all of you. At the outset, I would like to thank organizer of CMS Vatavaran for giving me this opportunity to share with you the contribution of the ONGC in environment protection and biodiversity conservation. It is indeed a matter of the great privilege and honor for ONGC and me to be the part of this great function as a India principal partner. As you are all aware, ONGC is a Maharatna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, working tirelessly for energy security of the country. Our operations are not only risky and cost intensive, but also spread both on land as well as offshore in diverse geographical environment, posing unforeseeable challenges during operational activities. Today, ONGC is one of the most valuable Indian companies through a mix of the consistent upstream sector growth and value integration project in the refining, power, petrochemical and non-conventional energy resources for meeting the ever-growing energy demand of the country. In addition to the robust business growth and operational excellence, ONGC has also substantially enhanced its social investment through corporate social responsibility initiative and sustainable engagement. Being a premier national oil company and major producer of oil and gas in the country, ONGC maintains highest standard in providing the safe and healthy working condition to its employees, maintaining ecological balance and protecting the environment wherever it operates in line with the international standard and practices, with the ultimate objective of securing green energy. Abiding commitment to the safety, health and environment to enrich the quality of community life is one of the ONGC's mission statement. As a part of the Sustainable Development Program, ONGC has undertaken various initiatives like water footprinting, rainwater harvesting, fugitive methane leak survey, carbon footprinting, identification of the greenhouse mitigation opportunities and development of the viable clean development mechanism projects and green building. ONGC can proudly claim that it has pioneered in adopting sustainable development as a mainstream activity and issuing our third corporate sustainability report under Global Reporting Initiative GRI G3 level reporting standards, establishing our presence among the select group of the sustainability reporting organization at a global level. Environmental protection is top priority in our organization. To address environmental risk of operational activities, our installations are maintaining environment management system based on the global benchmark standard ISO 14001. We carry out regular audits and reviews of effective implementation of the EMS. Enriching biodiversity around our operation and beyond is our concern. In this regard, apart from other participative projects, I would like to name a few projects like plantation of approximately 17 lakhs mangroves along shoreline of the Dadar River in the Gandhar oil field area of the Ankleshwar assets. Another project in line with the National Action Program, long-term plantation of the Ringal bamboo in Upper Himalayan region. Then one more project, the Save Endangered Eastern Swamp Deer in the Assam. Our joining hand with the CMS Vatavaran as a India principal partner is one of the several sustainability initiatives taken by the ONGC to come closer to the community at the grassroots level as far as biodiversity and environmental management and production is concerned. I wholeheartedly wish all the very best to the Goa CMS Vatavaran and Biodiversity Film Festival and Forum 2012 a grand success. Jai Hind.